Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can calculate r squared in Excel. So let's start. This is the dataset we will use to calculate r squared. So what is r squared actually? R square, there are two variables involved in r square: independent variable and dependent variable. R square explains what percentage of the dependent variable can be explained by independent variable. I'm saying this again. What percent of dependent variable can be explained by independent variable? Okay. So first of all, I am calculating how to calculate r square, rsq. Double clicking on this, opening bracket. First of all, they are saying that known y's, here dependent variable will be denoted as y, and known x's, that is independent variable, will be denoted as x's. Okay, so first I have to give known y's, that is dependent variable. So I am selecting the entire data range, comma, then known x's, that is independent variable. Okay, so after selecting both of them, closing bracket, enter. So here we can see that uh, more than 99%, almost 100%, uh, is uh, dependent variable is explained by independent variable. That is, the you will get more score if you uh, study more. The more you study, the more you will get the score. On the other hand, the less you get the score, that means that the less hours you have studied. So finally our model is, the more you study, the more you will get score. The more you get score, that means the more you have studied. The less you get score means the less hour you have studied. So this is our model, and how much we can rely on this model. This is the value which is very close to 1, that is, and if I uh, if because this is 1, and if I make it as percentage, it will give me 100%. Okay, so we can say that 100% of dependent variable is explained by independent variable. So here we can see some interpretation of r squared. Means the value of r squared ranges from 0 to 1. Okay, so if you calculate, the value will be always within 0 to 1. If r square is equal to 0.8, it means that 80% of the variance is in dependent variable can be explained by the independent variable. Okay, here the value is 0.99. That means 99% of the variance in test score can be explained by number of hour studied. Okay, the closer r square is to 1, the better the model explains the variability of the dependent variable. Okay, so this is how we can calculate r squared. We can insert a chart here. We are selecting the entire data range, insert. We can plot a scatter chart here. So this is our chart. uh, we can give axis titles here, number of hours studied, and here test score. Okay, we can add a trend line here. We can make it linear, and from more options, uh, we can set we can display the equation on the chart. By clicking this, you can see the equation. This is a simple linear regression, and we can also we can display the r squared value on this chart. By clicking on this, you can see r square is equal to 0.9987, the similar value. Okay, so this is how we can also plot a chart of r squared. That's all for today. Thank you very much.